Hey y'all, got something cool here from Case Knives. Let's check it out. Alright y'all, what we have here is a Case Copperlock with gray Sawcut bone covers. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Very nice texture in that Sawcut. Beautiful gray bone. Love that patriotic flag shield. Looks really nice. Pile side looks good too. Very nice. This one has the Tru-Sharp stainless steel blade, 3.16 inches long. Very nice clip point. Swedging going on there too. Mirror polished, full flat grind. Got that long nail pull. Very nice. Fit and finish on this one is really good too. Got decent blade centering. No gaps, no stepping. Very nice. I really like the lockup. Nice and solid, rock solid. Very nice snap. Beautiful knife. Now this one is the first in the series that I have gotten, and I do plan on getting more. So look for those to come. What do y'all think about the gray Sawcut bone Copperlock? I really like it. Really nice knife, really solid, very beautiful. All right, y'all. You come this far, how about hitting that like button? I'd really appreciate it. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel so you can see more beautiful knives like this Case Knives. And if you would, check out the videos getting ready to pop up. You will definitely see more beautiful knives like this Case Knife Copperlock. Getting a little tongue-tied. All right, y'all. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And remember, y'all, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye, y'all.